It's the middle of the night right now. I'm a mom, so I like to do things in the middle of the night when there's no one there to bother me or talk to me. This is a cool storage cart that I just got. I received it to review. I was so excited. I lucked out because I really needed something just like this. Look at this awkward area. It was doing nothing for me. It's a perfect way to have storage in little places. If that slides right in. These bins above here were meant to be a storage solution, but they're just a mess and I can never find anything. So let's fix that. I guess we'll just put all the things we don't want to see in the green thing. We don't need snow pants. It's like July. There's these little hooks that come with it. I think there's 3 of them, and you put them on the side of the cart. So I'm going to put baseball caps and swimming goggles. I think that's a good idea. I changed my mind about this. Anyway, isn't that nice? Look at that. So now we got our hats and our gloves all ready, and all the dog stuff's up there. I love it. Awesome. Mission accomplished. It actually feels really sturdy. It is going to hold up. It's got the swivel wheels. You can roll it around. It has locks on 2 of the wheels. If I take the locks off, it'll swivel a lot easier. Putting it together was a easy breezy 20 minutes. Easy to move around to clean. Easy to move to a different location in the house. Great storage no matter where you put it. I highly recommend.